Here we come to the elevator at Neiman Marcus at Galleria, Fort Lauderdale in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. And this is a Montgomery GMP elevator. We'll wait for it. Here it is. Let's go up to UL. Indicator, directory, everything of operation to actually 3,500 pounds. Look out the window. Up there's the mall. Let's go out. Look out into the sky. And let's go back down. Let's go back down to PL. It's strange that there aren't escalators to the garage, just this elevator. There's my mom's car. There it goes, and that's it.